Yeah, now we are moving on to the problem. This is in-text question we have. Page number 2 and 3. The question number 1 is here we have. Draw a systematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells. Each has 2 volt and a 5 ohm resistor, a 8 ohm resistor and a 12 ohm resistor and a plug key, all are connected in series. Why I choose this problem? This is a basic of electric circuit, right? So if you are able to draw the diagram as systematically, then we can able to calculate current, voltage or power or heat dissipation, whatever else we can able to do. For that we need to first practice how to construct a electric circuit, the given data, right? So here what they given as a battery of 3 cells. So 1, 2, 3. So I choose 3 cells which are connected in series. So the negative positive is connected, right? And each carries 2 volt. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 volt. When you are connecting the cell in series, that will be added. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 volt. So the total voltage of these 3 cells is 6 volt battery, right? And they are given 5 ohm resistor, 8 ohm resistor and 12 ohm resistor and a key, plug key, all connected in series, right? So here I connected all the cells in series and the plug key is connected in series. Now I draw first resistance which has 5 ohm and the second resistance is 8 ohm which is connected seriously and the third resistor is 12 ohm which is connected seriously. As you know, right, what is the series in connection? So this is the first resistor, right? This chalk is second resistor. This arms is connected to the other arms of the resistor. So this is the left side arm for U of this resistor. This is right hand side of this resistor. So right hand side and left hand side is connected. And here right hand side and left hand side is connected. This is the way we are called series. So I connected all the 3 resistors and which is in series in connection. I hope you understand well, right? So we have 3 resistors, 5 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm, and which is connected to plug key and 3 cells. Each has 2 volt. Therefore, total volt is 6 volt here. And the current flow from the positive terminal to negative terminal, right? Yes. Now moving on to the next, the same one. Redraw the same circuit, the same setup, putting in an ammeter. Why we need to use ammeter? To measure current. Putting in an ammeter to measure the current through the resistors. Try to understand. They are telling about resistors in plural. Resistors and a voltmeter to measure potential difference across 12 ohm resistor. We need to find out potential difference across 12 ohm resistor. What would be the readings in ammeter and voltmeter they are asked, right? The same diagram ditto I draw here, but here I use key, but here I use key here. Okay, so which has 6 volt battery. Apart from that, I connected one voltmeter across 12 ohm resistor and one ammeter connected in series in that circuit. So the concept first is ammeter should be connected in series, right? And voltmeter should be connected in parallel, as we know in the earlier we have seen. So ammeter should be in series connection, voltmeter should be parallel connection. So with respect to 12 ohm, the voltmeter is connected in parallel. Okay. Now recall your series and parallel connection. In series connection, which one is constant? Yes, current is constant and voltage remains variable, right? And here the current flow in the circuit is same. There is no change. Either it pass to 5 ohm or 8 ohm or 12 ohm, the current remains same. But voltage will be different in each cases, right? It's clear. Yes? Okay. Now we want to find out the total resistance of this 3 resistors, because these 3 resistors connected in series and current is constant. For that we need to calculate first the effective resistance in series manner. As we know that the formula Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, because we have chosen the given 3 resistors. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R1 is 5 ohm, R2 is 8 ohm and R3 is 12 ohm. You can change any one, that's your wish. So this may be R1, this may be R2, this may be R3, that is your choice, no problem. But don't change, once you fix it, that throughout the problem should be same. And if you are adding together, that will give 25 ohm, that is the total resistance of this series connection. Right, now we want to calculate the current in that circuit. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, right? From that we can write I is equal to V by R. So what is the voltage here? 6 volt. Here you will do some careless mistake, because in the problem they given us 2 volt. 3 cells. 3 cells in letters they given, right? But 2 volt they given numbers. That will be little bit confused in the beginning stage. Try to understand clearly. That is 6 volt. So V should be 6 and R, total resistance R is 25 ohm. So 6 divided by 25, that will give 0.24 ampere. So this is the total current passing through this circuit, and it gives which is measured by this ammeter. That's why I wrote ammeter reading. The ammeter reading shows 0.24 ampere. Yes? Okay. Now they are asking across 12 volt. So 12 volt, what is the volt they are asking? Sorry, 12 ohm resistor across, what is the voltage they are asking? So the potential across 12 ohm resistors, we want to find out the potential difference V. V is equal to IR from Ohm's law. So what is the total current in the circuit? 0.24. What is the resistance here? 12. So 0.24 into 12, 2.88. Therefore, in that voltmeter it will source 2.88 volt, and in ammeter it will source 0.24 ampere. Sorry, 0.24 ampere. Okay. Apart from that, I want to tell you the problem. Here it will give 2.88 volt. Suppose if I am going to connect here one voltmeter, what will source? Yes, we have 0.24, right? Yes, 0.24 into 8. So 32, 16, 19, 1.92, right? So across will give 1.92 volt, and across 5 ohm, so 0.24 to 5, 20, 1.2, right? Yes? Okay. Now, if you are summing up all those voltage, so you better understanding here wrote 2.8, 1.92, 1.20. So 280, remaining 1. So 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. So what is the total voltage? 6 volt. Yes, the voltage will be drop, it will be different, right? Because in series connection, current is constant and voltage will be different, right? I hope you understand well this concept, right? So similarly we can go for, but last year they are asking the same type of question, but the resistor is connected in parallel. They are asking the what is the voltage, they are asking different current, then due to the current what is the what is the heating value, power value they are asking, right? I hope you understand well. Thank you. See you in the next video.